Hey Ted, how you doing, buddy? All right, I just wanted to show you something here. So I got one of Ted's footprints down here. Ooh, you all right? Pricker bush get you? Careful. So that right there is Ted's footprint. And then if you look carefully here, these are toes, and that's a pad, and that thing there is a little bear print. So I don't see Mama's prints anywhere, which is interesting. Lots of deer tracks. I'll keep looking through here if I see Mama's prints. Let's turn the camera back on again. This is all clay through here, so if you're going to see some tracks, you're definitely going to see them through here. And here, these are mostly just wild Yorkie tracks. And then my old boot print from probably this last week. Clay keeps a print pretty good, that's for sure. Flies are pretty bad up here as usual. And we're following right down through the center of a deer track, so if we don't end up with at least 20 ticks on us, we're just not trying. So, found this sitting next to the river. See if I can show you this real close like. There is a plant actually growing in this stone. Now this stone looks like it was an old sharpening stone or something. You see like groove lines cut into it. I don't know why you would send a blade directly down through something like that, but that's the only thing I can think of. And it's just a little square. You can see where it's finished on both sides. But I thought, man, this is pretty cool. And then plant it back into the wet sand here. And if that thing can absorb any more moisture, so be it. But I thought that was kind of neat. Hopefully you can hear me. I guess life will find a way, just like they say in Jurassic Park. What you find in there, man? What'd you find? Dude, you can move an impressive amount of dirt. You really can. On the bright side, without him knowing it, the other hole that was right there, I took my hoe and filled that in. You're going to be disappointed when you figure that out, aren't you? Not bad for a dog that's like 10 years old now. He's just nuts. Got a really strong heart though, apparently. Mostly due to this, which is apparently very good cardio. The vet said he's in really good shape. Which is not much of a surprise, because this is what this guy does all the time. So he's sort of like one of those construction workers that you see out there with the shovel all the time, that's just built like a tank. Although Ted's not really very tankish. She's tiny. Oh, that's dirt. You must be getting tired, buddy. He's on the hunt, though. He loves it. That goes in pretty good. As you can see. So, looks like we never need a rototiller. At least not while Ted's around. He's always pretty good at turning up the soil. You know that digging straight down you need a trench box. This is clearly not an OSHA. Yeah, he doesn't care.